Alright guys, so we out here in this what is this, like we have about a foot and some change of snow that's supposed to get here. We're out here in the CRV going about 20 miles an hour. This thing's so far doing good, beasting it, trying to get through. As you can see, there's not too many people on the road. I did kind of get stuck twice already, but that's probably what's going on with this guy right here. But yeah, definitely is not too great of a day to be out driving, but when you gotta work, you gotta work and stuff. So we're out here trying to make it, see if we can make it up there to work, and we'll keep you updated as we go. Alright, so back there, this time recording, but there was like a little sedan stuck. Definitely, if you're in a sedan out today, that's just dumb. You're asking to get stuck, you know. Come on, just stay home, guys. But I know this ain't too safe what I'm doing, but I'd like to show you guys what's going on out here in Denver. As you can see, this big snowstorm. See how it's all going down. But that's kind of what it looks like today. I'm over here by Tech Center area, and I got to work by the airport. Let's see how bad it is from here to 225. If it looks just as bad, then I'm just going to go ahead and turn around and go back home, call into work. But try to make it, see, let's give it a shot, try it out, see if I could at least make it down to 225, go from there. But so far, this is kind of what the small streets of Denver look like. And yeah, as you can see, there's not too many people out here. But this is barely halfway through the storm, and today, tomorrow is supposed to stay like this, so we're supposed to get like another foot down here, which is just crazy. You feel moments where the car just pulls to one side or the other, but yeah, other than that, we're about here to pull up to 225. Let's see what that looks like. Guys, we're out here. We're about to get on the highway. We're still doing about 20 miles an hour, so let's see how good they clean these streets out. Like lately, they haven't been doing too well, but yeah, let's see what it looks like here. Yeah, we're about to march to 225. We got more stands out here now. A couple more people moving. So here's the highway, 225. Definitely not clean, but at least it's not like, what do you call it? It's heavily packed. So it's still kind of a little bit slick. It's pretty much big secret. Take your time, go slow, you know, and slow and steady. But yep, it's kind of what the highway looks like now. That's where we're at, and yeah, hopefully I'll make it work here soon. All right, guys. So this is where it gets bad, to where you cannot see nothing in front of you, side of you. You barely see, so yeah, this is no good right here. It's very crazy. It's kind of where there was just a blizzard warning, stay home if you can. They just sent it out, so we'll see. Over here, gang right there, bro. Crazy as hell. I'm doing about 40. You know, he at least doing about 60. And let's see, we got another truck over here. He at least doing about 50, 60 up there too. Yeah, go ahead, guys. Take my time here. All right, so we made it. We're about 6th and 225. I did just receive a call that we might not have to work halfway through the trip, so now I just gotta hang out here for a little bit and wait for the boss to call, and if I have to, I guess I'll try to finish the rest of the way. If not, just return home. But yeah, I'm gonna hang out here, try to make myself way back. But yeah, that's what it is. That's where we're at. And yeah, just, I mean, biggest thing with this storm is the visibility. You you can't really see very great. So in spots, so that's where we're at. All right, guys, I'll get back to you guys here in a bit. You see another sedan stuck right there. But yeah, look, this is where we're at. So I don't know on the phone you can see it too well, but yeah, just the visibility, it's where it's bad out here. Yeah, this is 6th, and I think this street coming up should be either Peoria. So you guys starting to have some people have their hazards on. There's you better see. I swear to God, this phone, you can see better on the phone than out here or on this camera than what it is like outside. Like more clear. Look at this guy right here. He's savage. He's just walking. Alright, so now we're on Havana. I am going back home now, I guess. Because it looks like they might shut it down. So at least we made it halfway through the trip. Almost made it to work. But yeah, this is what this blizzard looks like so far. In the CRV, of course. See, because these side roads are a little bit better, as you can see, are the streets. So, but yeah, that's where we're at. The more, I think the more southeast you go, we're supposed to get some more snow. So, yeah, let me go back there and I'll keep filming, see how everything looks like. But yeah, now we gotta go back. So we've reached the intersection here. Let's see what's going on here. I think they might have gotten stuck. I think they got it unstuck now, which is a good thing. See, that's the whole reason you don't drive a rear-wheel drive car right there. That's why. What are you doing? You better not be making it. Maybe I can add a push that thing. Straight up, why you don't drive a rear-wheel drive car? No one's gonna hit this other guy. Alright, so we're about 10 minutes from home. We're almost back. And I think this guy just got stuck right here. Yeah, it's another sedan stuck. See, it's just, you guys can't be doing that, man. Some tires and all, but there's a point where the snow gets more than the height of your car, so. We're almost there. We're about 5 minutes back to being home. Man, look at these trees full of snow. Look how much snow is on those trees. Almost there, a couple more minutes. You know, one thing I was noticing is, can you tell there's not too many plows out? You know, everybody always saying that they keep the roads good and everything, but yeah, I have not seen one single plow, which is, I think, normal with this whole coronavirus stuff, since I don't think there's any funds or whatever. But yep, here's my turn up here, and we're almost home. And we made it back. About to pull in, and look, first plow of the day finally comes out. There's one, finally. There's some people out here on the roads. I wonder what's going on up here too. Some people are still trying to get their cars out and stuff like that. I don't know, guys. Definitely today's one of those days to stay home. You might waste a trip like me, which I had to come back. Biggest thing of the day is at least we're back. You know, that is the biggest stuck right there. Well, that kind of tells you how much snow is, especially on the corners. So that bad boy is stuck. Stuck. An SUV, it's only front wheel drive, getting stuck too. This guy's about to hit him. Yeah. Dude, what are you doing? You should have gone back. You better go get stuck right there. Right on the entrance. Whatever you do, don't slow down. We need it. Let me show you how much snow this is out here. Under, so this is like a handicap sign. That thing's almost covered. Look at these steps right here. Like knee high snow.